Hey, hello friends. I used to be someone who always ended up buying cute looking journal or notebook at the beginning of the year. But after a couple of weeks, it used to become a decorated piece in my bookshelf. Recently, however, I have worked out a system to continue with my journaling practice every day. If you are on the same boat, please stay tuned with me because in this video I will share 5 simple steps through which you can be consistent in your journaling practice every day. So before that, please do me a favor, please subscribe my channel because it is totally free. So let's begin. Step 1. Does it spark joy? Ask yourself if the process of writing in journal does really spark joy to you. Journaling is nowadays highly recommended to boost mental health. As in journal, you can put down your inner struggles without the fear of judgment. Additionally, journaling can be used to measure accountability, track habits, activity list, memories, you name it. But if you don't enjoy the process of writing itself, there won't be any fun. Now, this can only be overcome if your power of why is stronger than your sense of joy. Find out why you want to keep a journal. If it is to improve your mental health, then you should definitely give a try. You can follow the other 4 steps I'm going to describe now. Step 2. The sandwich method. Have you ever ate any sandwich without the middle layer? No, right? Your habits of journaling can be mostly attainable if you sandwich it between 2 existing habits. Having said that, the top habit should be the most certain one, like brushing your teeth or waking up in the morning. And the habit that will follow the journaling would be the most rewarding one. That means the one that gives you pleasure. For example, having warm morning beverages, or meditation, or exercising if you love fitness. So the scene would be like this: waking up, brushing your teeth, journaling, and having warm cup of coffee. Now this is an example. You can sandwich it between any 2 existing habits of your liking. Only the timing and the preceding or following habits need to be the same always. Step 3. Make your journal or notebook easily reachable. Now if you want to do journaling just after getting up from bed, but leave your journal or notebook in the living room, probability is that you might become a bit lazy to cover the few extra steps to get the journal and write. So please have your journal easily reachable to you where you generally going to write. For example, if you journal right after waking up, then put it inside your bedside drawer. Or if you want to write while having coffee, then leave it in your living room. I think you get the idea, right? Step 4. Start it simple. You only need a notebook and a pen to start your journaling practice. Don't rush to the stationery shop to buy expensive pens, glitters, washi tapes, etc. Start simple, use simple doodle at the beginning to get the wheel rolling. Then gradually you become more aware which type of journaling is easy for you to follow or which one you truly enjoy doing. Step 5. Start easy. If you find creating monthly spreads overwhelming, then just start with one sentence in a day. Now it's really easy to write down only one sentence every day. I recommend to start with a positive sentence, how small it can be, and gradually increase to write down your thoughts when the habit will build up. Hey, that's all for today. Let me know in the comment section which one of these tips you find helpful. If you like this video, please share with your friends. I upload art and journal videos every week. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you cannot miss any of the videos I upload. Stay happy, live creatively. Bye bye.